So let's say a lot of people get anxious to get short after they see price go down. That's generally a bad habit. It's generally a habit of people when they start trading and never get around to learning the proper skills to predict price. And so they get bearish when they maybe should have been bearish earlier or been short. So then they get bearish and then they get short and then the market rallies up. And that's called getting short in the hole. How could you disqualify doing that? That's one thing to try to pick a bottom and get long for a pop like that. But it's also important not to be on the wrong side. To disqualify, DQ, a bad entry on the wrong side. And so on this vertical line, reds and greens, you're going to see a lot of reds kick out, which means a lot of shorts are doing what you don't want to do if they're doing it, getting short in the hole. And so when we play this, you're going to see this kind of flip and the shorts come in and then we pop. Because if you don't, there's some shorts coming in. If you don't have a tool that leads price, then you don't have a tool. And it doesn't have to lead price every time. It could go with it. But when you've seen those shorts come in, and you also could see, I paused it, you could also see at the bottom of this vertical here, these two numbers. As this number gets bigger, price is likely to rally. So let's rewind it and just look at this number down here. It's showing you those that are short getting shorter. So it's 26 to 53, slightly more longs than shorts. Keep an eye down here. Now 90 to 20. Shorts pop in. Laser goes red. 99, 156. So there's no coincidence that gets short and then we start walking up. Does it qualify a long? Yes. Does it disqualify a short? Absolutely. Not the market doesn't have to run up forever. It could run up and come right back down. But do you want to have trades where you're short here, take all this heat, and just hopes it comes back so you could scratch it? Your first order of business is to not put on positions that immediately go against you. And then put yourself in a position to open positions that go your way sooner rather than later, because you got to predict the first few ticks before you predict the next few points, and the next few points before you predict the next 10 points, and so on and so on.